3mm by 10mm. I used 2mm plank, 2mm by 10mm planks for this miniature pallet. Thanks for your likes, almost 1000 likes. Thanks for helping me. Ти от Bulgaria ли си? I, Pavlova, yes, I am from Bulgaria. I am a Bulgarian artist, but now I live in the Netherlands. In the one small town in the Netherlands until the beginning of summer 2025. I'm gonna be working here. I work in a warehouse, little warehouse, food chain. So in the warehouse I'm order picker, picking orders, stacking on the pallet, driving a special ECE car, electrical car. And on the back of the car there are two pallets, and I start stacking the stock. I have a phone, like a headphone. The system tells me location 1, and she says pick 3. I pick 3. Then next location, the number of the needed items, like canned food, boxes of other food, card boxes of different sizes of card boxes. And basically it's interesting because times go fast when you work this job, because your brain is constantly busy. It's like Tetris, putting on the pallets these stocks. It's Tetris. You gotta make them more stable and to stack them well with these different sizes. It's interesting to make this Tetris, and it's kind of a little bit satisfaction from this job. Anyway, don't misunderstand me. I dislike this job a lot because I work for a corporation now, but in order to get my business back to where it was before, because my Etsy closed my shop like almost 4 years ago. Since then I have my own website, and I want to become again a full-time artist and a crafter. For this I need some money for advertising my website, which I'm gathering this money now. Also, I will be much more on live sessions on TikTok, and those of you who don't, who might not have TikTok from the United States, if TikTok gets banned, please find me ExiArts channel on YouTube. There I will also start making live sessions after TikTok gets banned, probably. I hope not gonna be getting banned, but for now and for some time probably it will be get banned in the US. And I don't know about if Trump is gonna do something when he becomes acting president. They say he might do something, he might do some executive order to stop or to postpone this possible ban of TikTok in the United States. I don't know. I checked this Red Note app today in the App Store. It looks decent, but I see some Mandarin, which is Chinese language, letters there. But I read in the reviews that it's easy to set up and easily to understand how to set up the profile, easily navigate it inside. So probably I might join this Red Note application, because a lot of people from US are already joined there, so it's going to be interesting for me also to join. Also, it's always good to do something new, to join to some new. Dubrinka, thanks for the gifts. Thanks everybody for the gifts and for the hearts. Now this small mini palette, I have 3 more planks, which I will first of all spread like that, and second of all glue without sizing, you know, just the perfection of the imperfection, right? Don't strive to be perfect, just easily and smoothly like that. Now press. The first pressing can move a little your plank because it needs to press a little bit glue out of the way in order for the planks to get more stable, touching the part of the other plank to feel the stability of it. Now next plank. Just like that. This is very strong glue for wood, so don't if you buy a wood glue, don't be worried after it's fully dried. It is going to be super strong palette, super strong miniature, and you will be able to even drop it from 2 meters even on a cement ground, and still it's going to be very well. I just want to clear a little bit of excess glue. Okay, last plank. The sides are at the end. If you want, you can sand a little bit here and there to make some additional imperfections, desired imperfections. So you can cut here and there, like make some scratches and everything in order for the palette to look old, if you like. I do it like that, leave it like that, and this is gonna be the variation of the palette. That's the Euro palette. You can see that's how a Euro palette looks like. Of course, let me glue the last plank. Let me press again all of the planks. Yep, but this glue is terribly good at doing its job, gluing wood, so don't be worried. And later on, first of all, when I make miniatures or wooden crafts, first of all, I like to list them on my website the way they are, like a plain wood color, like this one. So this Euro palette is gonna be listed on my website as a miniature dollhouse Euro palette accessory, dollhouse accessory, or whatever the title be. So I will list it firstly like a plain wood variation. Then I like to use I use Italian eco-friendly modern because my brand ExiArts is eco-friendly. All of my journals and sketchbooks are with 100% recycled papers. This is since 2015. My brand ExiArts, I started it on like March 2013. 2 years later, I decided that all of my sketchbooks and journals will be eco-friendly, with eco-friendly fabrics, cotton and hemp cords, 100% recycled and acid-free papers, and so on. So also I was telling that the crafts that I make from wood, first of all, I like to list them like a plain wood variation. Then I like to list them as with the Italian eco-friendly mordant. I make them light brown, later I make them dark brown. After the dark brown, I can paint them with acrylic paints, like a couple of coats of white, or just 1 or 2 coats of whites in order for the dark brown to be a little bit transparent through the white, which means distressed white or distressed brown, I don't know exactly. Later on, if I do the distressed variation, I will add more white coatings until I have fully white palette. And unfortunately, when I make one palette and I